What's up, BNLs? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lara and you're watching my video.
Bring the action.
Wiggle, 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 don't stop, don't stop, don't.
Welcome to another episode on how to speak Waray-Waray. If you are new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell below to get updated on my videos. For this episode, I will be teaching you how to say the body parts in Waray-Waray. Without further ado, let's start! Okay, now, so I will teach you to name the body parts in Waray-Waray. First, we have the head. In Waray, we call it ulo. For the scalp, in Waray, we say it anit. For the forehead, in Waray, we say it agtang. For the eyebrows, in Waray, we say it kiray. For the eyes, in Waray, we say it mata. For the eyelashes, in Waray, we say it perok. For the cheeks, in Waray, we say it bayhon. For the nose, in Waray, we say it irong. For the mouth, in Waray, we say it baba. For the teeth, in Waray, we say it tango. For the chin, in Waray, we say it sulang. For the jaw, in Waray, we say it panga. For the neck, in Waray, we say it liog. For the shoulders, in Waray, we say it sugbong. For the ears, in Waray, we say it talinga. For the elbow, in Waray, we say it siko. For the hands, in Waray, we say it kamot. For the fingers, in Waray, we say it tudlo. For the nails, in Waray, we say it kulo. For the chest, we say it dughan. For the waist, in Waray, we say it hawak. Oh, before I forget, for the armpit, in Waray, we say it irok. For the legs, in Waray, we say it hita. For the knee, in Waray, we say it tuhod. For the feet, in Waray, we say it tiil. Before I forgot something. For the face, for the whole face, in Waray, we say it nawong. And of course, we have the brain. In Waray, we call it utok. And of course, the heart. In Waray, we say it kasing-kasing. There you go, those are just some of the body parts that you need to know. Now, I will teach you some of the phrases we commonly use which are related to the parts of our body. For example, my head is aching. In Waray, you say it masakit ang akong ulo. Again, masakit akong ulo. Masakit means it hurts or it's aching. Masakit akong ulo or masakit akong dughan. So it means my chest is aching. How about when you say, I am fat? In Waray, you say katambok ko. Katambok ko. Or when you are referring to another person, you say katambok mo. Then the opposite is thin or slim. You are slim. You are thin. In Waray, you say kagasa mo or kagasa ko. So that's it. Now, how will you compliment someone? Pretty. In Waray, we say it kahusay or mahusay ka. How about handsome? In Waray, you say it guwapo. Kagwapo mo or kagwapo ko. So that's it, VNLs. I hope you learned something for this episode. If you want to know more about Waray-Waray, please comment down below your suggestions about what you want to learn. And of course, disclaimer, Waray-Waray language also varies depending on the location here in Visayas. So, the one that I'm teaching you is the Waray-Waray in Calbayog City, which is also similar to some parts of Samar, but we have a little differences on how we say some of the things. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Diyos Mabalos.